I just caught this little guy, camera wasn't on. Gotta let out some line here. Very excited. Right there, beautiful little brown. There he goes. Now guys, walking up here to the river. Just thought you guys might want to see all the butterflies. Pretty crazy, huh? Pretty beautiful surrounding right here. All right, now it's time to start filming the whole time because we might actually catch some fish. Woo! There you go. Oh, nope. Looked like one was on it. All right, here we go, man. Right here, guaranteed fish. Or tree. Or also Caleb.
Balls.
Thank you, sir. Just a walk in the river, catching the fish.
Yeah, totally ripped off his lip. I felt bad.
Yeah. It's okay, Caleb. He's only a little baby. There he is. There he is. Another one. Another one.
Nice. Where's that one?
Another little brown, guys. We found the fish. Ow. Come on. There we go. Right there, another pretty little guy. See if he'll stop squirming. Right there, see him right there. Beautiful little fish. And there he goes. It's pretty good considering I wasn't even aiming right there. I was going for somewhere completely different. But I just kind of keep going to that same spot. So maybe there might be a pool. I know that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get to the right. By the trees. And it's very difficult. Wonder how audio is with all this water ripping. Oh, I had a nibble. I had a nibble. There you go. Okay. Oh, there you go. There he is. That is like the perfect left-handed spot. That's like all I know.
Oh God, how do you do that one?
Oh God, I'll get him. Okay, hold that.
It's 2 for 2, or 2 for 17.
Oh, that was your rod.
I was like,
it's like your drag's not getting looser. So when we use our tools. Okay, stop your squirming, I'm gonna save you.
fear in that eyes.
Right through his nose. Get out of there. There we go. There. Pretty little brown. So far we've caught all a bunch of little fish sticks, if you will.
Look one over there.
Yep, right there. Bam. As soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water, it clobbered it.
That's a big one, a little bigger.
That's a little bigger. Probably the biggest one we've actually brought in today. You know, I just realized now you guys are looking at the sky. Another nice little brown. He's pooping. So adjust you guys a little bit. There we go. Make sure you're clean somehow. Is there anything on the lens? No, we're good. Okay.
Got one.
Really? There you go. There you go. There you go. It's on camera. You're gonna need a little slack out there so you can touch it or something. Not that much slack. Jesus. Fish is like, holy crap, I'm gonna die.
You done yet?
That's a nice little fish right there. Huh? Pliers? There, you got it?
My bad, man. My bad.
You're good.
No, look.
What?
His lip is like half on there.
Oh, why would you take his lip off? Alright, put him back in the water.
Alright. First one. Tore his lip off. My bad, man. My bad.
He's like, why'd you put me right here in the water? I can't swim.
Oh,
Don't know why I'm walking right up the middle, but you know. Guess that's why. Huh? How many is that now?
4.
Is it?
4 that you caught.
Okay.
Snagged 8.
Okay. Come on. Get out the nostril.
Ooh, look at me.
What? Ooh, look at Caleb. There we go. Right there, another nice little brown. There he goes. All right, go for it, Caleb. Bunch of babies. Where's Mama? There he is. Oh, that was a lot better one. There he is. Little tiny guy.
Good?
Little tiny guy. Oh, I don't know, maybe not. He's about the same size as all the rest of them. How did you do that? Come on. There we go. Another little brown. There he goes. Guys, I just lost my shoe. So this should be fun since now I gotta hike down that. So should be a lot of fun. Alright guys, survived, made it to the river. It's pretty interesting, one-footed in the river, or one shoe in the river, whatever you want to call it. Some rocks are friendly, some rocks aren't. Barefoot fishing. There he is, fish on. Fish on. It's all worth it. Okay. Hold up. There we go. All right, guys, another nice little brown. Right there. Beautiful little fish. Okay.
Oh, forgot you had no shoe.
Yeah, I got no shoe. I am rocking the shoeless life here. It's just a little bit harder to get from A to B. Still working on my river feet. Hashtag river feet. I'm gonna definitely need new river shoes now. There you go. No? There he is. Oh! Damn!
Uno mas.
He's still right here. The water sounds different. There he is. There you go. There you go. Another one. Oh, that's a good one. That is a better one, sir. Any pliers? Swallow it?
Yeah, look at that.
Hungry? Here, maybe walk towards me. Here, let me try. I'm a little more skilled at this. Here, come towards me.
Oh, so here.
No, come toward. I'm gonna try and get it out. We don't want to kill the fish. Huh? They're just kind of. Okay. Give some line out, sir.
That's right, the hooks are inside.
Yeah. Well, that's not bad.
Yeah, there's one. I just thought that he had like all three of them.
Right there, survivor. Check out what we just came across on the walk back to the truck. Little horny toad dude. Little guy. Let him go. There you go. See you, little dude. Alrighty guys, so that was our day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.